Well, when I showed up yesterday, I came with a great deal of hesitation. I know that's like speaking heresy to a lot of people here. But I came hesitant, and it was because I was afraid to believe in a candidate again and be disillusioned again. And I was afraid to pick a losing cause again. And I'm a busy person. I'm a mom, I've got a job, we're leaving on family vacation, and I thought, you know what, I'll just show up. I'll show up, I'll see if it's worth my time, and then I can leave. If it's not going anywhere, I can just leave. It's okay. This campaign isn't it for me. And then I sat down, and Marshall started talking, and he started talking about working with Cesar Chavez and marching in Mississippi, and I could feel my heart start beating a little faster. And then I sat down in my group, and men wept who saw Bobby Kennedy shot and felt that loss of hope and a loss of everything that he embodied in that generation. And to have people like Marshall and those men sit there and say that for them, Barack Obama was the return of that hope, I just began to have that hesitation melt away. I felt my heart softening again. I felt myself able to give a little bit more of me to this process. And then we shared our personal stories, and a Catholic and a Muslim and a Protestant and a Jewish man shared their personal stories. And we had just about every race encompassed in those personal stories, all within that faith difference. And I sat there, and in my language, I would say I felt the pleasure of God in this room. I could feel how special and how big what sits in this room was. And I could feel that this campaign is about something really big and really important, and it's the beginning of a healing for our nation and a healing of generations. And the generations that came before that marched with King and people who are just now graduating from high school, we're all working together. We're mentoring each other, and we're moving forward. And I realize it doesn't matter if Barack actually fails me, and it doesn't matter if we win. It does. I'm in it to win it. But this campaign has made us win already.